Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if you encounter this kind of error where the Microsoft Store opens and closes immediately on your window. So let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So if you want to download favorite apps and games through the Microsoft Store, you want to open it, but then it closes immediately, so that could be very annoying. So let's go quick into the solutions. First is we need to click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on apps, installed apps. Then here in the search apps button or bar, type here store. Then click on system components. Now here you'll find Microsoft Store. Just simply click on these three dots, select advanced options. Now simply scroll down and you'll find reset with the repair button. So if the system component isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The system component's data won't be affected. Click on repair. And once done, click on reset button to fully reset the application. And once done, just simply close this window and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. For the next method in the Windows search bar, type here services. Click on it under the best match. In the services window will appear. Now click on one service and then click the M key on your keyboard. So this will direct you to the services which starts in letter M or which starts with letter M. Now we have to look for the Microsoft. This one, Microsoft Store install service. This one, Microsoft Store install service. Make a right click, select properties, startup type. Make sure this is automatic. If this is already running, click on stop. Then click on start to restart the service. Then click on apply and then OK. Now once done, close this window. Then we are going to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type here run. So click on it under the best match. So the run window will appear right here. Now we need to type wsreset.exe. So by running this or typing this command in the run window, this will clear the Microsoft Store cache. So if we are going to click on OK, this will bring up and open the Microsoft Store for you. So from here, just simply maximize and then try continuing downloading your favorite applications and games. Then for the final method is we also need to make sure that our Windows is updated, as outdated Windows can be the cause. So click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Windows Update. Then simply click what it suggests right here, like check for updates or download and install updates. Just simply click this button and this will check for updates, download and install all the updates for your Windows. So once done, again, you just need to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. And after that, launch the Microsoft Store and your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.